Hi there, Rick here. The ability to make money online is such a wonderful thing. It holds great promise of time and financial freedom to those who know what they're doing and are doing it consistently well. I started in this journey as early as 2005. I was super excited. But through the years, my greatest problem was that of being overwhelmed. See, I've been presented with too much good information. They came faster, though, than my learning curve. Even before I've started implementing one idea, another shiny one came along, promising to make things easier, faster, and more profitable. So I ended up dropping the current one I'm working on and tried to embrace and implement the newest hyped idea. Well, perhaps it was all my fault. But the fact remains, I found myself running in circles, spending too much time and energy and limited resources at that, but achieving less. And most of the time, achieving nothing. Deep inside me, I know it can be done. I see examples of folks who have achieved success. And I knew I too can. And this is what kept me going through the years. Sadly, though, I still end up finding myself in the same rut. Not that these shiny objects were all a scam, though some truly were. But my greatest weakness was my tendency to lose focus, to overthink things, to overdo, and sadly, overdo on the non essentials, to always spend so much time, effort, money on the promise of an easier way of making money online. And sadly, it seems I was experiencing just the opposite. Good thing, one of these opportunities that came was Brett and Mike's coaching program called Your Easy Way Out. One great thing about this coaching program was that it isn't just another information product because there's a ton of that out there. It's really a coaching program. Now, there's a lot of coaching programs offered out there too. But this one is a lot different because it is done by two top internet marketers whom I have been following for years. Yes, I am on their mailing list, as I am on other marketers' list as well. But this is the very reason, though, that I'm able to see their very own consistency and their commitment to the business model that they are actually teaching. Through the years, they have been transparent about their very own journey, their very own measures and their very own successes, and the value that they give us who are in their very own lists. Mike, for one, has been giving updates of his monthly income from years back. Brett has been very principled in his dealings in the internet marketing space. Now, it's surreal because now they're the very ones personally mentoring me and mentoring us in this very program. They teach us and show us how to do things step by step. And here's what, they teach us only the things that we need to do. So there's no overwhelm there of so much information. That helps me well too because, my tendencies are to overthink and overdo. They teach us easy things. In fact, a lot of times I had the tendency to want to go to the next step because I've already done the current step. But see, there's wisdom in what they ask us to do at the moment and that we do it well. We've also got a community in Facebook. It's a learning community and a doing community 7 days a week. Mike and Brett is also there to help us with our very own journey. They correct us, they guide us with what truly works. In fact, they're perfect examples of what they teach because we see them doing the very same things they teach us. And so we'll just be consistent with it, give it our commitment, then we'll see results. Hopefully, results, the same results that they've been getting. Now, the members of our community are co-learners. Now, we've been into a lot of Facebook groups out there, right? And most of these groups there, they got members just pitching one opportunity to the next. They're more or like competitors wanting you to be on their very own opportunity. But this community is a different community. It's a wonderful experience to be with people who are co-learners. There's a sense of camaraderie that we experience there. Opportunity to find encouragement, knowing that you are not alone. The opportunity to learn from one another is priceless. Now, each one's progress keeps me personally in step with what I also need to be doing, and only that. So there's great benefit to that. We get to celebrate as each one in the community begins to show progress, not just on how they are doing things, but also with the results that they're starting to get along the way. Who would ever think that ordinary folks could start getting results in just a few days, a few weeks of being in the program? If we be consistent with it, things will naturally scale up. We also have live coaching calls weekly. Now, on these calls, Brett and Mike answer our personal questions. They give us their most frank answers and give us advice on what to do and what not to do. See, we have opportunity to feature our very own homework there, our work, and they pinpoint what's good, what's not needed, what can be improved. I enjoy the fact that they do that, or else I may have reverted back to my overthinking and overdoing ways. I love the fact that Mike and Brett over-deliver. They also help us with getting approval from vendors who may not know us and hesitate on allowing us to promote their products online. See, they're backing us up with their very own integrity and connections. They also help push some good traffic along our way to help boost our initial efforts, and we experience results sooner. Now, that's a great encouragement indeed. They also give us the tools that we need for free. Besides being shown good and free tools that we can use out there for our business, they also give us their premium tools and the tools that they use for free. Brett, for example, makes his premium products available for us to leverage. And that gives us an edge over others out there in the marketplace. See, seeing how these guys commit themselves to this coaching program, seeing their hearts and experiencing the great value that they give us, I am confident that more wonderful things are in store for us in the next months and years to come. I'm confident that more people out there who are sincerely wanting to be equipped with an easy way out of their time and financial woes will actually experience success as they join us in this coaching program. I am confident that this is just the beginning of a wonderful and fruitful journey between our mentors, Brett and Mike, as well as my batchmates in this very program. I can't be less thankful that I got into this program. And I'm excited to see you join us too. Come, invest in yourself. Join us. Who knows? This might just be the break that you've been needing all along. Your easy way out.